Hey everyone, how it's going? I hope everybody is fine. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put video inside text in CapCut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. All right, guys, I have already imported the video that we are going to use in this tutorial. Now let's add the video to the timeline. After that, add the text on the video and increase the duration of the text so it matches the video duration. Write whatever you want, then change the font. Now untick all these four icons and drag the video up on the text like this. Great, select the video and go to the left. Make sure that you're in the basic section, then scroll down. Stop where you see the blend option. Now click on default and select the last one called multiply. Here we go, you can see the effect that we have created. You can also adjust the size and position of the video. Same goes with the text. That's how you can put video inside text in CapCut PC.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.